Hey everybody, welcome to another tutorial. This time we want to make Boom Bap with an orchestral touch. So what do we need? Drums, bass, chord instruments and a melody. The chords need to be simple. Just 2 bars, 3 chords on a minor scale. And we use simple triads, especially minor chords. When we have the chords, we use a trick. We load the chords into HipHopEngine, and HipHopEngine creates hundreds of matching MIDI phrases for us. Let's start with the bass. We just want to fill the low end, just long notes that follow the chords. Let's type in legato. Listen to the preview. And then drag and drop the MIDI to our DAW. Now we want to make it sound more orchestral, and we use strings on 3 different tracks. Track 1. Here we play long notes that follow the chords. But we don't play the full chords, we just play 2 notes to leave a bit of headroom for the other instruments. Let's search for simple thin chords, drag and drop, and voila! Track 2 and 3. Here we want to play the strings differently. Short notes, played on all chord notes and in a rhythmic way. Let's pick keys, focus and chords. Preview some of the presets. And now we put 2 different phrases on our tracks. And finally, we need a melody. We will use a piano with lo-fi effects, so we go to the keys section of HipHopEngine, listen to some of the phrases again, and I will go with keys bright 3. So that was orchestral boom bap in a nutshell. I hope you like it and see you next time.